Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viking Wizard, so I'm going to be unboxing the 2024 reissue of Helloween Walls of Jericho, formed way back in 1984, which was the year I was actually born. And this album was released way back in 1985, and it's the 2024 reissue. Now, as you can see, I do have the album twice. I've got this edition, which is Walls of Jericho, extra long playing CD, includes a mini LP Judas. So you got this version, as you can see, with the disc and everything. Oh, when the book doesn't fly out, which is very cool. So you got this version, and then I have the expanded edition where you get the extra disc, which is cool with all the extra stuff. So that's the, as you can see, that's the 2-disc edition. These 2024 that came available for pre-order on Amazon, and I thought I really want to get these in my collection. I do have ready to unbox both Keepers part 1 and 2, so I'll be doing videos on them after this. But yeah, I thought I want to get these editions because I like collecting digipacks. I think they look well cool, and these editions I was like, yeah, I need to get these in my collection. They're reissuing a lot of their older stuff, so I thought, yeah, I've definitely got to get these. And I'm super excited to see what they look and sound like, the remaster, see if there's anything different. So let's get into this. This is well cool digipack. Somebody said there isn't a point in collecting them, but I said I'm a collector of everything, so, and I collect all different versions. Pumpkin, Helloween, gets off the pack. Cool. That's cool. Very cool. Yeah, this is going to be awesome to show you. So, well impressed with the packaging. Their debut studio album is great, and I know because people were saying about Kai Henson that he felt he couldn't sing, felt he wasn't a good singer, and felt he wasn't good enough, as I've read about. He said he wasn't good enough, so that's why they got Michael Kiske in. But then, obviously after leaving Helloween, and he formed Gamma Ray, which was absolutely awesome. And then now he's back in Helloween. This is welcome. Love the lyrics. More lyrics. The artwork has always impressed me. I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and at some point I have got it on my bucket list, and that's to get my Helloween tattoo. More than likely I thought about getting a logo, but I thought no, it's just going to be pumpkin. So there's plenty of the animated pictures of the pumpkin, so I'm just going to get one of them on my PowerSymphonic leg. So there's the book, and I'll show you the discs. I've got to figure out which disc is what. So this one is CD 2, Walls of Jericho. Then the first one, this is the downside about having some of these digipacks, which I'll show you in a moment once I've got the disc out. There is disc 1. I've got a couple of these where the middle bit is where the CD comes out, and I've got a Brian May. Now I was trying to get the CD out and it was stuck, so I tried to get it out, and then the next minute I ripped the digipack. I don't know how I ripped it, but I was gutted with myself, so I had to re-get a copy. But that's the only thing I don't like, is when it's the middle bit with the disc sticking out, because it's a pain trying to get the CD out. So yeah, this has been Helloween, their debut studio album, Walls of Jericho. So I'll put a link in the description. It's just for people who come across my YouTube channel who have not seen it yet, and they're wondering, is it worth getting the digipack? From that, yes, I would get it to your collection, but this is for collectors. If you just say a casual fan and you're not that fussed, then you can just go in HMV, and usually 5 to 10 quid UK money you can pick up the expanded editions, or you can get them really cheap at their albums, so just get them if you're not fussed about all the extra stuff. But for fans like me, massive fans, then I'd definitely get these in your collection because they're beautiful. Plus, you know, see what they sound like the 2024 edition. I'm actually wearing a Keepers t-shirt at the moment, so yeah, hope you all enjoyed this Helloween Wards of Jericho unboxing video. I do run a group on Facebook called PowerSymphonic, which you can see the flag is up there, and it's dedicated to stuff like Helloween, Gamma Ray, Hammer Force, Stratovarius, Nightwish, Epic of the Lane, Freedom Call, Symphony X, Angra, Twilight Force, Battle Beast, Beast in Black, and all that sort of stuff. So like for the genres of power metal, symphonic power metal, symphonic metal, epic metal, fantasy metal, neoclassical metal, traditional metal, operatic metal, space, sci-fi, prog power, all that fantastic stuff. So like all fantasy based, so like Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Dungeons and Dragons, Wizards, Knights, all that fantastic stuff. I think we've got now over 7k members, which is awesome, and there's loads of musicians in the group. So hope you all enjoyed this Halloween unboxing video. So if you are new to this channel, if you would like to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that awesome stuff, because it's mainly unboxing videos I do, and I'm just about to unbox Keepers 1 and 2 editions, and then I'll be unboxing the new Dream Evil album and the new album by Obsidian. So I've got all of them, and then I've got a load here to unbox, which is Powerwolf, Simone Simmons from Epica, Orpha Metal, Flesh God Apocalypse, and some Melodeath of Dark Tranquility. So I'll be getting them on my YouTube channel, plus the Ghost soundtrack and Bruce Dickinson. So as I said, it's many unboxing videos I do, but then I do show off my tattoos, gig reviews, album reviews, talk about the bands I love, all that fantastic stuff. So hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next video. So now I'm going to go and listen to this to see what the remaster sound like. Have a good one. Viking Wizard signing off, and I'll catch you later. See you later.